Hey guys, how are we doing today? I have something special for you today. Today we are doing this Colored Raine mystery box. I did get one. These were $35, and if you didn't know that there was a code out there somewhere like me, you paid about $5 or $6 for shipping. So it's ended up costing a little bit above $40. But there's supposed to be a shit ton of products in here. I'm super excited. I have watched a few other videos, but they didn't get all the products you were supposed to get. So I'm hoping, since those people got their boxes really early because, you know, obviously they're like bigger influencers and whatnot, not like little old me that's nobody and nothing here in hotter than hell, Missouri, that maybe I got mine, like everything came in here, so I won't have to deal with that. So I just cut the box open, and this just came today. Actually, it was a little bit early. It was set to arrive Monday, but it showed up on my doorstep today. The shipping did take a little while because I just paid the normal shipping. I bought this, I think, Monday, and I got it Saturday, so it's not too long, but they didn't ship it till Wednesday. So alright, looks like we got a lot of things in here. I'm very hopeful, and I do have a bare face today, so we might try some of these things on. I actually have never tried Colored Raine products, so we could be in for a treat. Alright, we are back. I had to get rid of that bubble wrap. It was very loud, so I just dumped the things off the bubble wrap and put it up here. The first thing I see is this eyeshadow palette, and it is called Smoke Show. Okay, alright, it's a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. A little green, a little glittery black, kind of a bricky kind of red, and a brown here, as well as two kind of like nude shades. So not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and put something on my eyes because y'all see I got nothing on my eyeballs. Clean off this brush here. And let's just do something we don't normally do and use the mirror that's in the palette. I prefer when they have mirrors, but then when I'm here with y'all, I never use them. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna just go into the shade Cloudy. It is one of our first little nudie shades here. It's got a little bit of a pinky base, and I'm just going to put this all over the lid just to set this. I use concealer as an eyeshadow primer, and it can be a little bit tacky, so you know. Alright, we're just gonna do something simple. I'm gonna go into that kind of reddish brown shade right here. It's called Flammable, and we're just gonna put that over the crease, see how that blends out. I know I'm just doing this real quick, so we might get messy, who knows. Throw this on my face. Went on pretty well. Went on pretty even. Not too pigmented, but pigmented enough. That's not too bad. I'm going to get a different type of brush here. And we're going to go into that darker brown shade called Torch, and we're just going to kind of deepen up the outer a little bit. Again, pigmented, you know, just enough. It didn't go on like black, which is good. Appears to be blending. I wish we had a better shimmer in here, but we don't. So, not too bad. Deepened up nice enough. And I'm not going into these hard, y'all. I'm just tapping them lightly to see where we go. I don't see any fallout in this pan. Or kickback. It's kickback in the pan, fall out on your face. I see people that confuse that all the time, and kind of annoys me, honestly, but you know, whatever. Alright, that's not too bad. It's a good, like, just basic look, and the shadows perform well, so I'm happy with that. We're gonna set that aside. We have our little shipping paper. Ooh, what do we have here? We have a shimmer individual shadow in the color S'mores. It is a brown, unfortunately, so I can't really, I'm not trying to put a dark brown shimmer over top of this look. It'll just be a little bit too much for me today. So, let's see. So it's cute. It's cute, and that little dot in the middle is because I just smushed it like that, so I'm not too worried about that. Next, moving on, we have, it is, oh, I've seen this. This is the Focal Point Glow Lighter in the shade, I don't even know, I can't even tell you what that name is. It's like Borges, Bourgeois, I don't know. I've never tried any of their highlighters, however, I'm not going to be trying this as a highlighter either, because it is very red. I am going to swatch it though, because I'll use it as an eyeshadow. Yeah, that's not going to work as a highlighter on me. So thanks for a giant 8-gram eyeshadow there, Colored Raine. Appreciate that. The next thing we have is a pair of lashes. They are called Sexy Eyelashes. And how do I get these out of here? They don't want to come out, y'all. Oh my lord. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, these are in style CR23. You can see that. And here's what they look like. They're okay. They're a little bit flared from the inner to the outer, which is good, and a little bit spaced, so they could be fun. And again, y'all know I love getting lashes of any style because I don't like buying them. So we good. The next thing we have is 3 matte lips. So this is exciting. Okay, so the first one we have is the Matte Lip Paint and Spiked Punch. No, I've never tried any of these, so we'll see. Ooh. Alright, so it's a little orangey color. It looks kind of like bricky or orangey. They don't really smell like anything. This doe foot is, if I'm being honest, it looks cheap. It's super long and flimsy, but it does apply a lot of product. And there's the color. The next one we have is a matte lip paint in Boss Babe. This one, I don't know, this is what it looks like. On the end is black. I'm hoping it's not a black shadow. Okay, it's not a black shadow or a black shade. It is more of a purple, like a very cool toned purple, which is super cute. This one has a little bit of a vanilla smell to it, so maybe my nose is just stupid. And then we have a colored or a matte lip paint in the shade Suede, and this appears to be like a gold, maybe? It's got a little glitter on the end of it. Okay, no, it looks like a poopy brown. Let's go ahead and try this. Yeah, it's definitely very brown. So those are interesting, to say the least. I might wear the purple, and you know what? Now that it's dried down, the kind of orangey tone is actually really cute. So, not bad. Next 3 things we have are some of their lipsticks. We got 3 lipsticks. So, this one is in the shade Cameo. Y'all, part of me, I hate opening boxes, but okay, I totally opened it from the top because I just pulled the lid off. These are super cute. The packaging is adorable. Okay, this is a nice, this is like my everyday color. Do we see that? Okay, we're going to swatch them on this side. This is like a mauve-y satin color right there. It's perfect, and that's in Cameo. This one's going right here on my desk. The next one we have is in Soul. Can you even see that? Okay. I'm going to open it on the bottom this time. We learns. Okay. Same packaging. Ooh, and this looks like a darker shade of that same color. We're gonna, yeah, this one's a little bit more, oh no. Y'all, it kind of melted. I didn't think it stayed outside that long when I got it, but there's that next to it. I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator because it has melted and kind of broken off of its base, which is sad, but for real guys, it's hot as shit here, so I can't blame that on them. I thought that hopefully I grabbed it before it was too hot, but. And then we have this one in the shade Foxy Lady. Any guesses? This one I feel like it should be red. It should be very bright red. Let's see. Again, same packaging. It's not! It's pretty damn close to the same color. Okay, we're going to be very careful with this one to not break it. This one is just a little bit more pink. I like all three of those colors, y'all. I can wear all three of those. They're all in my Happy Tone family. Super excited about that. And then the last thing in the box is this. It looks like, I don't even know. Looks like a makeup bag maybe. I'm kind of hoping to get the eyelash tweezers. Yeah, it's like a faux leather makeup bag pouch thing. I mean, I don't know what you could store in here. It's not all that big, but I mean, it could store a few things, and it's very nice, like soft on the inside. It's not plasticky at all, so it's super cute, and I love the color. So anyways, for $35 plus our shipping, I've actually got a decent amount of products. Some I might not be able to use, but is it worth it? Absolutely. I'm impressed with the eyeshadows thus far. I think they are great. They actually went on really well. They didn't blow my mind, but they didn't upset me putting the money there, so I think that's a pretty good starting ground. And all of these lipsticks actually dried down really well. I'm still not a fan of this brown. The red and the purple are great, and then all three of the stick lipsticks are beautiful, gorgeous. Like, so happy for that. This, well, it's gonna be a little fun. We will figure it out. I do wear a lot of warm red tone looks in the fall, so I now have my go-to shimmer for that. So great. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down below. If there's any of these left, I will go ahead and link them in the description box below. Let me know what you think. And did you get one? Did you get different products? Did you get all of your products? I'm interested to see that. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.